हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। दिस इज़ अंजलि प्रताप एंड आप हैं आज हमारे सेशन में। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जहाँ पे होती है आपकी आई एग्जाम बी के साथ प्रिपरेशन 50% फास्टर, and we are here in this session going to talk about one of the very important aspect in terms of your SIDBI descriptive English paper. First of all, we are going to understand in this session that what are the important topics which we might encounter in the exam. These topics are not only relevant in terms of your examination, but they're also critical. They hold critical importance, basically in terms of current affairs or economic reforms which we might be expecting in terms of our paper. So make sure everyone to watch till the end for the insights that will help you ace your exam and understand the current financial landscape as well. So let's dive in, everybody. Let me show you quickly the important topics which we have created for your ease in your preparation. So first of all, the first category, if you see, this is more or less inclined towards your economic reforms. So let's say if we focus on RBI, so as like apex body, we can expect certain questions revolving around that, or maybe a certain topic revolving around the role of RBI. And then the second one is, and I think very important one in terms of 21st century, is the digital banking part. Again, we might not expect anything directly as in the terms of or as in the name of digital banking. We might experience certain topics in terms of AI as well, everybody. We can also expect certain question specifically focused on digital payment or specifically focused on financial inclusion. Then yes, MSME SIDBI की बात हो रही है, so MSME is going to play an important role here, so we might expect one or two topics which is going to influenced by this one. Then yes, monetary policy can be there, and a special impact, or let's say special reference to the small industries, is something which we can expect. Then we can expect the topic related to the development finance institutions and how they, or let's say what kind of roles they play in the economic growth of a nation. Or you can also expect these topics in the light of India's condition as well. Next topic which you can see on your screen is the privatization of PSBs. Although I mean there has been some time to it, and maybe this is not a very new topic which you might feel, but yes, not directly, maybe indirectly, in terms of certain aspects of privatization we might expect it. Then again, this is a new one, everybody. I want you people to, let's say, spend some good amount of time in doing some research on this topic, that how these green financing is, let's say, shaping the way, or you can understand how the sustainable development goals, these SDGs, are getting achieved. Then yes, cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, and how RBI is implicating on that. So that is another one. Again, significance of India's G20 presidency in shaping global economic policies. Always remember, students, it's not only about G20. Whenever we, let's say, encounter any such a summit or conferences which has happened in the near past, we might expect certain topics out of that. Again, as I have already stated when we were talking about the digital banking, AI is another such topic जहाँ से question हम expect कर सकते हैं. Last but not the least, guys, social and let's say economic issues. Basically, social issues, if you see, we might expect these topics in terms of that, and predictably थोड़ा ये easy हो जाता है हमें frame करना. So again, women entrepreneurs के ऊपर, या maybe we can talk about women empowerment, but with a special focus to MSME sector. Then yes, skill development can also be again a very favorite topic of our examiners. We might expect one direct or indirect question onto this, and specifically related to your employment generation. Again, role of financial literacy in economic empowerment. Then startup culture as well is something from where we can expect or one or two topic. And then financial inclusion and inclusive growth. So guys, these are the topics, if you see, are broadly focused on the different aspects on which we can actually expect essays to be there in our examination. So I really hope that you people do a good R&D on this. You can also access the essay fodder. Those who are there on the iXMB platform, they might be aware of this fact that we also provide essay fodder materials on all the expected topics, which we have basically curated for this examination. So I'll keep the video to be here itself, everybody, and these are some topics where you should focus on. I hope this video helps you understand the relevance of these topics, and please invest a good amount of time in structuring your essays effectively. Okay, if you have any question, do not forget to drop that in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Best of luck with your preparation, and always remember, consistency is the key. Bye bye and take care.